Department of Stamps and Registration representing a demonstration on digital e-stamp. After logging to the Kaveri 2 application, click on Start New Application. We have service called Digital e-stamp. Click on that. Here are the important instructions. The digital e-stamp is available only for a non-compulsory registrable documents. Here, the party going for a digital e-stamp should compulsory have an Aadhaar card. The details will be fetched from Aadhaar, and the payment is only available through the online mode. There is no offline mode, and payment is non-refundable. Click on continue. We select the nature of document, select the subarticle, continue, save and continue. Here we are entering the party details. We are selecting whether the party is individual or organization, whether the party is a claimant or a executant. As Aadhaar is mandatory, click on yes and verify Aadhaar. I'm agreeing the consent. Click on verify, enter the Aadhaar number. Click on checkbox. Click on OTP. Generate OTP. The OTP has been successfully generated to the registered Aadhaar mobile number. Enter the OTP. Click on submit. The first name, gender and age is being fetched from the Aadhaar. I am selecting entering the relationship, relative name, mobile number, and send OTP. Verify the OTP sent to the entered mobile number. OTP has been verified. Click on save party. Party details is being saved. Click on move to next step. Here for the few nature of documents, the witnesses is compulsory. For this demonstration, the witness details is optional, so I'll go for skip witness and proceed. For our selected nature of document, subarticle and application number, we'll go for calculate fees. The fees is being displayed for our nature of document, the government duty and total stamp duty. Verify and click on continue. This is the preview of our document. Verify the details and click on continue to generate document. At the left panel we have a draft. So we enter the draft. We have option to edit the draft and to generate the PDF. We'll click on generate PDF. At the right side we find the sample of digital e-stamp. If any data is incorrect, we can go for edit draft. After verifying, we go for make payment. Click on make payment. Here the document entered data is correct, then click on pay now, which is payment is made at once and it is non-refundable. If any editing is required, then go for no, I want to edit. I'll click on pay now. This is a payment instruction. I'll click on OK. I'll select the mode of a payment, whether it is a net banking or a NEFT or RTGS. Select the bank. Type the CAPTCHA. Checkbox the details and click on submit. We have a payment options: debit, credit card, SBI, internet banking and a UPI. I'll go for a UPI. Select UPI QR code. I'll click on pay now. I'm scanning the UPI QR code. After payment, the transaction receipt is reflected. You can go for print the channel receipt. and return to the application. We have to e-sign for the entered party details. I'll click on e-sign. Enter the Aadhaar number. Get the OTP. OTP will be generated to the registered Aadhaar mobile number. Enter the OTP. Checkbox the instructions and click on submit. Here our document is ready and ready to download. So we have option OK and download. Click on download. For more information, you can contact our helpline. The number goes as 080-682-65316. You can follow us on a YouTube channel called Department of Stamps and Registration. Thank you.